Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Lexus side mirror. First, let's diagnose the problem. Carefully inspect the mirror for visible damage to the glass or housing. Next, test the mirror's adjustment functions to see if the motor is responding. Finally, consider if electrical issues might be preventing proper operation. Understanding the root cause is the first step to a successful repair. If only the mirror glass is broken, this is often a straightforward fix. Begin by safely removing any remaining glass shards from the mirror housing. Wear protective gloves for safety. Thoroughly clean the housing to ensure a good bond for the new glass. Then, align the new mirror glass and apply firm, even pressure until it snaps securely into its clips. It should feel stable and not wobble. When the mirror isn't adjusting, the motor or wiring might be the culprit. You'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel to access the mirror's internal components. Once exposed, visually inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test the motor's electrical continuity and ensure it's receiving power. Sometimes, a simple reconnection is all that's needed. For extensive damage, a full mirror assembly replacement is often the best solution. Start by disconnecting the electrical connector and unbolting the entire old assembly from the door frame. Carefully position the new mirror assembly, aligning it with the mounting holes, and securely tighten all bolts. Finally, reconnect the electrical harness and thoroughly test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.